Hi, PM is tomorrow, and I would like to share a few things that could help you not to get confused when you come to the exam and see some questions. First of all, when we talk about variances, remember, all price types variance use actual volume. All volume-based variances use standard price. So if we are going to talk about labor efficiency is volume type variance. So this means that we compare the number of hours with the number of hours. So this means that we're going to take standard labor rate. If we're talking about material price variance, it is price type variance. So we are going to compare prices multiplied by the actual usage. And I would also remind you that for variances, we always use flexed budget. So when we're talking about usage, like let's say labor, we are going to take actual versus standard usage per unit, but we will take actual units always. It's always going to be flexed. Another important thing to consider is absorption costing. I would remind you that overhead absorption rate is found before the period starts. Overhead absorption rate is always calculated based on budgeted figures, because the idea of that is that we are going to get our bills later after the period has passed, but we want to track whether we are doing good or bad before that happens. That's why we need to have this rate in order to predict what P&L result is going to be. Yay! And for relevant costing, we are going to use only incremental cost, nothing that has been paid, not historic price, nothing that has been expensed already. Yay! So good luck to you. PM is hard, but it is doable. And well, good luck. Bye.